In the first stanza of this poem, poet has said, when the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned, and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. Here, in this stanza, inevitability means that cannot be avoided. The thing cannot be avoided from us, and haphazard means without plan or order. Means in the first stanza of this poem, the poet describes his city as it appears from the window of an aeroplane. Means जब वो हवाई जहाज़ की खिड़की में बैठा हुआ था और वहाँ से वो झांक रहा था. When he describes it from the window of an aeroplane, when the plane is just over the city, it is clear that the city developed just as it was necessary for the people. So, what looked haphazard on the ground looked unbeatability from the sky. Means जब पोएट उस सिटी में रहता था तो उसे वो haphazard लगता था. Means that city has developed without plan or order, but it is a inevitability. Means that we cannot be avoided. That is the rule. Which are the humans' necessities? Humans' necessities are water, shelter, and food. So around that three necessities that city had developed, most of the thing it is a proper land and facility of water. So in the first stanza he told that the city has developed according to their necessities, and that's why when we see those things from the land we are looking that it is haphazard, but when we saw those things from the high, so it will look a very important things or inevitable things for us. So that things he explained into the first stanza. Means also here he one line he told that he explained the distance from the sky of land 6 inches माइल. जहाँ पर वो बैठा हुआ था वो एक डिस्टेंस भी उसने बताया हुआ है कि 6 इंचेस माइल से ये सारी चीज़ें दिखती है. इन द सेकेंड स्टैंजा ऑफ दिस पोएम he says that when the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography that land, water attracted man and was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. Here they given that delineated means it is shown. In the second stanza, the poet understood those things when that plane went higher up to the 10,000 feet in the sky, and from that place looking below at his country one could clearly see, or he could clearly see that why the cities in the country had developed along the river and valleys. Why it so? Because it is clear because of natural. It is a natural thing. People needs water and land. In the same way, from that height, the poet could see why the people had settled in the valleys also, as well as what he said that from that height of 10,000 feet, the jet plane, the poet observed his country and he understood that the continents of geography. Also, it was the people settled where the land and water were easily available, and this lesson seemed clearly written to him, means which are the basic needs. According to that only peoples populated near the valleys and near the rivers. These are their basic needs. So that he understood from the 1,000 feet height. In the first stanza, he shown that from the 6 inches mile, he understood that why the cities had populated in this way, and from the 1,000 feet, he understood that why they went there, what is the reason behind it.